everyone, my name is Tiffany France and welcome to my course, Build Your First Visualization with D3. I am a data visualization designer with over 15 years experience in the field. D3.js is the premier front-end library for building data visualizations. This library allows you to map data points to elements in the DOM, giving the developer the ability to create a wide variety of layouts. In this course, we're going to cover the essentials of D3, including fetching data, working with scales, domains, and ranges, demystifying the data join process, and adding interaction with elegant transitions. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build a fully functioning bar chart with animations. Also, you will have the fundamentals of D3, which will help you understand the vast collection of D3 examples on the web, and allow you to experiment with more diverse layouts of your own. Before beginning the course, you should have some familiarity with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn D3.js with the Build Your First Visualization with D3 course at Pluralsight.